Welcome to Rechargeable. In this video, we will see one more tiny product unboxing, and that one is OLIGHT Oclip Pro Mini LED Touch with flashlight, focus light with red light, 500 luminous bright USB-C rechargeable flashlight. I'm purchasing this light from Amazon. Link is available on video description. Now we will do unboxing. Now we will do unboxing OLIGHT Oclip Pro S. This is the very tiny and premium box we receive with this price. Just simply cut the wrapper, open the box, and look at this here. Oh, inside the box we receive very tiny product. Backside they are providing some of the information how to use usual manual. We are receiving as usual USB and C type charging cable, and this battery is really tiny. You can fix this one in a collar mic. How to turn it on? So here, read this information very easily. If you want charging, you can see here the C type port. You should put it here and then connect the other one as well. How to turn it on? Just simply press this button. So look at this here. If I use this one, so the specific light, this is the middle light, and this is the red light. Three lights we are receiving here. This is the white light. If I press here long, so here's a strong light we are receiving here for this price. It's really impressive. Again, if I use this one, press twice, so this is the just only one light. This is the colorful light. You press, always color is a change: red, green and white. Three light is available for this tiny one. This is the very small and tiny device for this price, and that's it. This is the simple unboxing and review video of OLIGHT Oclip Pro. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.